To nothing in the end. Still a chance. Well, they can keep possession of it now. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. And let's give credit to the defending. Henderson. Going well. Shot up. And just failing to bend the run enough. And the flag has been raised. Oh, not a great touch. And they've lost possession. Not a fantastic piece of defending, was it? Good defending in the end. And danger averted for now. Edo Kayembe. Joshua King. Kayembe. King. Sissoko. Really well hit, but just too much height on it. Mane. Thiago. It's with Fabinho. And Liverpool might be able to cash in, but nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Mane. He has time to play it over. This could level it. And it is the equaliser. Parity now. And who's to say what's going to happen next?
Well, here's another look, and you can see what a good finish this is. He holds off the defender brilliantly and keeps his composure. That's a great goal.
So back underway. One goal apiece here. And now they have the ball back. Diogo Jota. Jota. Mane. Well, hit with ferocity when accuracy was required. Great Cathcart. King. And breaking at pace with menace. Can they take advantage of the situation? Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily. Being pressed hard. Kayembe. Now Sissoko. A very good tackle. Thiago. Quite possibly a yellow card as the flow was stopped. And he does produce the yellow card.
Yeah, and it certainly deserved a yellow. It's a poor challenge, you have to say.
Salah. Ball is loose. This is Thiago.
Well, you have to think they're going to take the lead at some point, because they're really looking dangerous at the moment.
Sissoko. Emmanuel Dennis. And the pass not quite accurate enough. And a throw in then. Fabinho. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Well, a decent position for Liverpool to be in. And Mohamed Salah now. Clears it away. Juraj Kucka. Now with King. Passing it around, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Gives it a go. Simple catch, really. There to win it back. The referee has let the advantage accrue to Liverpool. Jota. Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
A very effective clearance. Mane. Oh, great attacking play. Will he find the net? And it's come off the keeper. Excellent block.
Well, those stats tell you what a good game this has been. We've seen a lot of good attacking play, plenty of goal-mouth action, and all done at a high tempo. It's been very entertaining so far.
Getting forward. And he's broken free. Well, there's a keeper on song.
Well, how did he stop that? That's just unbelievable. Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
And clears the danger. Henderson. Opportunity. Well, he failed to deliver that time.
Miss is here playing. She is Liverpool. Yep.
Moving into the advanced position. And a really good diving stop. He's driven in the corner. Clattered away.
Well going, Fred.
Diogo Jota. Can they hit on the break? They need to get bodies back. Well, it petered out. Mane. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising.
From two different accounts. Oh, Freddy, what's up,
Henderson.
man? What's up?
That's very effective. Good high pressing. Salah.
It's been a minute since I've seen you, my friend. What's up, man?
It's a perfect challenge.
Everybody from YouTube and Twitch. Hey.
And Mohamed Salah now. And Salah always has the sizzle. His goal.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be under pressure, but he shows great composure to hit the target.
Stop it. Get some help.
The son is celebrating with that goal, man. Ready again, Miss Sanders. Let's go.
Well, underway again. It's a narrow 2-1 lead as things stand. Went in strongly to win the ball. Opportunity it is. And brave goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Well, he had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
They've lost it. He made it look simple, really. Samir. Now Sissoko. What a vital intervention. No more time left. First half is over here at Anfield. Well, no wonder the focus is on Mohamed Salah. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. He's done well to get forward, Thiago. Can he put it away? Excellent block. Well, the pressure being exerted. Well, the attack finally comes to nothing, and the keeper has it. Joshua King. Sissoko. On to King. Sissoko. Gives it a go. And what a magical save it was. Over it comes. And the keeper has possession of it. Salah. Salah. Robertson. Textbook defending inside the box. And can he take them on and beat them? But quick thinking defensively. This might be ideal for the counter. Space on the flank. What a shocking pass, really. Diogo Jota. Mane. And Salah. And not cleared away properly. And they couldn't add to their advantage.
Well, that would have put them in complete control. He should have scored there.
Well read to win possession back. Showing a lot of guile there. Well, it looked as though it had a chance of going in.
Well, he should make the keeper work there, but you sense a goal is coming.
Under pressure here. Pressing high to win the ball. And in with a real chance. Oh, he saved it.
Well, excellent from the keeper. That's a really top-class save.
Just the challenge that was required. The referee has let the advantage accrue to Liverpool. Chances on. It's still alive. Well, good defending, clattered out of there. Tom Cleverley. Good tackle. Henderson. Surely. Terrific piece of anticipation. Well, we're into the final half hour. Giving the ball away. Mane. And he might be through here. And the ball is loose. Well, it looks so threatening, but the danger averted. Edo Kayembe. And a fine tackle. And he's through here. Mane!
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance.